The Keyway and key sizing calculator determines the optimal key dimensions for mechanical shaft connections based on torque requirements. Let's start with the inputs. First, we have a drop-down menu for key material with 5 options. Mild steel at 40 MPa, medium carbon steel at 60 MPa, high carbon steel at 80 MPa, alloy steel at 100 MPa, and heat-treated steel at 120 MPa. For this demonstration, I'm selecting mild steel at 40 MPa. Next, enter the shaft diameter in millimeters. I'll use 25, then input the torque in Newton meters. I'll enter 100. Now click Calculate Key Size. The calculator processes these inputs to determine the appropriate key dimensions for your application. The results show the recommended key width and height that will safely transmit the specified torque without exceeding the material's shear strength. These dimensions ensure proper load distribution along the keyway while preventing key failure. The calculator accounts for the selected material's allowable stress to provide a reliable connection between your shaft and hub components. This tool streamlines the key selection process for your mechanical designs. Find the link in the description below.